Question number 4. An object is thrown upwards. The graph shows the variation with time t of the velocity v of the object. Vt graph is shown. Okay. What is the total displacement of the time of 1.5 seconds measured over the point of reference? What is the displacement? How do you get the displacement in a Vt graph? Area under the graph. So therefore, now you see this area. Let me take this area as A1 and this area as A2 and this area is A3. Why I have taken only 3? Why not the fourth one? Reason is because he has asked only for a time of 1.5 seconds. See, it's 0.5, 1.5 seconds. I need to stop here. Now look at this area carefully. This is height is 0.5 and here the height is -5 over here. So these areas appear to be equal, right? Now if you ask the displacement, I should consider the signs also, which means that the total area I should write now is A1 minus A2 plus A3. Now you see, this is your displacement. This is your displacement. If I had asked you the distance, then what should I do? I should now consider this as A1 plus A2 plus A3. I should have considered something like this over here. Okay, now what has happened? Now you see this area and this area are equal. So these two get cancelled and you are supposed to find out only this value of area, which gives you the displacement. What is this value? This value should be half multiplied by, what is the altitude? 5 multiplied by this time. Time is 1 to 1.5, which is 0.5, which should be equal to 7.5 divided by 2, which should be, right, 5 5s are not 7.5. This is 5 5s are 25, sorry, 2.5. 2.5 divided by 2, which should now be equal to 1.25 meters. Thus the answer is B.